In this lesson, we are going to use DaVinci Resolve, and I'm going to show you how to get an image element to track or follow a moving object. And this is how it will look.
Let's do it.
Okay, so let's get started. I have a video clip here of a boat, a Hobie Cat boat, going across a beach scene. Okay, the first thing you need to do is find the starting point of your tracking and the ending point of your tracking so we can mark it to where it's going to start and stop. So in this example, I'm going to play around and use a shark fin to follow this Hobie Cat boat. Okay, so it'll be coming from behind. Okay, so maybe around here. That's where I can put a cut. I'll use the razor tool and cut it here. So the fin will be following from here, continuing to follow up until there. Make the cut here with the razor. And for this lesson, we don't need this section here, so let me get rid of that. Click that and delete. Now that we have our starting and ending points of our tracking clip, now let's bring down our shark's fin. This is a PNG file with a transparent background. That's why you just see the shark's fin and no square or rectangle behind it. Let's drag the right side to match the length of the video clip and then properly resize it down to a pretty big mega shark fin, and position X to the left so we can bring it this way, and position Y to the left to bring it down. Just as a note, don't start off the edge. We can adjust it later off the screen, but right now keep the whole fin visible. And we're now ready to make the shark fin image a compound clip. So select this and then right click, new compound clip, create. Let's move on over to the color page. This is where the tracking happens. Click the clips so you can see the clips here. This is our main video with tracking. This one doesn't have tracking, this one does. Okay, go over here and make sure this drop down says stabilizer. Click the three dots and make sure we're on classic stabilizer. And down here, make sure this says point tracker, not cloud tracker. Keep the zoom unchecked, strong at -100. Click this icon here to add a tracker point. Now you see the crosshair over here. Find a spot on your moving object which has a distinctive pattern to follow. So let's bring this over here to the back of the boat since the shark will be near there. And so now let's set the tracking path by clicking track forward right here. Notice the marker. Great, it followed the back of the boat really well. Sometimes it will stray, so all you have to do is pause it and reposition the crosshairs to the proper spot again. And then click the track forward. But in this case, it was clean. Let's rewind to see how it looks. Back to the beginning of the clip, and let's play it from here. See that? How it's nicely tracking the label at the back of the boat. Now that our clip has a tracking path, we need to copy that. So click the three dots here, copy track data. We need to copy that and give it to the shark fin image. Now let's click the shark fin image. Make sure this is on stabilizer. Make sure it's on classic stabilizer down here. Click the three dots again and paste the track data to the shark fin image. There you go. It now has the same path. Then you have to uncheck this zoom. Make sure strong is at -100. It's hard to explain why strong has to be -100 and the zoom has to be off, but just set it at that. And let's click stabilize to give it that path. And now let's view it. There you go, look at that. The shark fin is trailing that boat really well. Okay, so that's pretty good. And now that we have the correct path for the fin, let's go and adjust the fin coming from out of the frame so it looks more realistic. Let's go back to our edit page, highlight the fin, and drag the position to the left so it's going out of the frame. So that's good. Okay, let's play this from the very beginning. In full view, Control F, and let's play. There it is. A huge shark following the Hobie cat. And that's how you can track a moving object with another object. It's similar to the tracking with text, but this time we're using an object. By the way, to make it easier for you, I'm going to link the video clip I used in this lesson so that you can go through the exact same steps we went through. So check the description section below. If you learned something new, please give the video a like and comment to let me know if it worked for you or not, or if you have other questions. I also have a lot more tutorials on DaVinci Resolve and other online business tips, so subscribe if you're interested to learn more. Thank you.